This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.